when you think about the public world in the United States, I'll talk about that in
Mhm.
particular. I think, I don't remember if it was the last 15 years or last 20 years, some period of time like that. The number of public companies has been halved. 50% of what was there 20 years ago is there today. And and I think a few things have happened, but one is being public has become far less attractive. There's just a lot of regulatory stuff. It's just a very difficult environment to be public and do anything and everything you want. The governance structure in the public markets is very different. You sort of have this board, you got shareholders. I mean, it's just a very convoluted governance structure. The second thing, though, that has happened on the private side, which I think is critical, yes, it's a better governance model. You can react quickly. You all are on the same page around equity value, but the perception that there's capital for private investments is so much greater than it was 15 or 20 years ago. I mean, think about this. You had OpenAI oversubscribed at a 500 billion valuation. You have SpaceX that's talking about getting a round of financing at an 800 billion valuation. 20 years ago, you couldn't do that. And I'm not saying whether they're worth that or not. I don't think that's the point. The point is you can get the capital as a private company. Why the hell go public? The whole virtue of going public is that you could have liquidity. You could have access to capital. You don't need to be public for any of that. In fact, in SpaceX, what I read is that they are going to offer inside shareholders the ability to monetize their equity, which is exactly why you would have wanted to go public. You simply do not need to go public anymore. So why go public unless there's very little upside left and you figure I might as well get out as much as I can?